Naku, naku anak, wala tayong pera para magdalawa ka ng playground ngayong araw, no?
Dai, no? Have money?
You got it, not me.
Kapag walang pera, iyo.
Mommy, but you get your money over there.
Pinuha ko ang sukli ko.
Mommy, please use your money now on the soda. Please hold me hand the box.
Hi, excuse me. Don't have money na.
Pretty, pretty,